Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can quickly switch between different wallpaper on the iPhone 15 series. So the first thing to do is press on the side button to go back to your lock screen. So here on the display, tap on it to turn on your lock screen, and on the lock screen touch and hold. Now once you see it say collections or the name of your wallpaper, you can now swipe across and switch to a different wallpaper. Now tap on it, we'll select that wallpaper, and here you can see on my lock screen and wallpaper, it has a different wallpaper now. Alright, so if I go back to my lock screen, then touch and hold on that, I can now choose another wallpaper, tap on it, and this will allow me to select that wallpaper. Now, if you do not have any additional wallpaper apart from your default wallpaper, then what you can do is tap on the Add button, and from here you can choose a wallpaper from the feature section, or you can scroll down and select a wallpaper from a different category such as weather and astronomy, emoji, unity, pride, collections, color. Now if it does not show up a preview, just give it a few seconds for it to load. Maybe sometimes the internet connection could be weak, and so select a pre-built wallpaper, or you can create your own custom wallpaper by simply tapping on photos, so you will be able to set your photo from the image that you have on your device. Or you can choose photo shuffle. So here say choose photos manually or choose from an album, or you can choose setup later. You got live photo, so you got live photos right here. If you have a live photos, you'll be able to select it. And then you got emoji, weather, astronomy, and color. So here if you choose astronomy, you can set a custom astronomy, so you can swipe across and select a different wallpaper type that you want to use, and then tap on add. You can also customize the date and time and add widget, so you can add widget in here as well, and then tap on add. Then tap on set as wallpaper pair, or you can customize the home screen so that the home screen can have a different wallpaper to the lock screen. I'm going to choose set as wallpaper pair, and then tap on it to select, and that's it. So that is how you can quickly switch between different wallpaper, and how you can create additional wallpaper if there isn't any other wallpaper for you to switch between. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.